gonna be unboxing some Nike shoes. So let's get straight into it. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe. So this is what you see when you open it. I'm pretty sure these are Nike Air. They cost like £120, but they're really good. I recommend you buy this if you have the money and you can afford it. Really good. And yeah, I guess that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And this is actually an early birthday gift because my birthday is tomorrow. And don't forget to comment on my Q&A video because I'll be answering your questions. And yeah, that's all. Bye.